Buying a laptop in 2025 is straight up confusing. You type best laptop under 50k and 50 different blogs give you 50 different answers. Some say gaming, some say programming, some don't even make any sense. So we did the hard work for you based on real use cases, real budgets and zero nonsense. Watch this video till the end and I promise you'll find the best laptop in the exact budget that you have. Now there are 5 aspects that you need to consider before buying a laptop: performance, design, display, battery life and user experience. No laptop can be the best in all the 5 aspects, but you don't need all 5 for your needs. Only some of these will be important for you depending upon what you use your laptop for. So let's divide your needs into 3 categories. Programming. Here you'll need a compact and a lightweight design with a good battery life and an average processor. Heavy softwares. If you're into creative stuff like editing, you'll definitely need a high performance laptop with better display to run heavy softwares like Premiere Pro. Gaming. For this, you'll need a high-performance laptop with a good graphics card and enough storage to get the best gaming experience. Now let me suggest you the best laptop under every budget range, from least 35k to high-end laptops up to 85k. If your budget is under 35,000, you may not get a gaming laptop or a laptop that can handle heavy softwares, but you may get a simple programming laptop. The best option is Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3. It has a compact and lightweight design with good battery life and a decent processor. It comes with an Intel Core i3 1215U processor, a 15.6-inch display, an 8GB RAM and a 250GB SSD. Best choice if you're doing basic programming work. Under 45,000. If you're into programming or need a laptop to run heavy softwares, your best options are the Asus VivoBook 15 X1502ZA or Dell Inspiron 3525. The Dell Inspiron 3525 is good for both programming and handling heavy softwares because it comes with an AMD Ryzen 55625U processor, a 60Hz refresh rate, 16GB RAM and a 512GB SSD. It has a 15.6-inch display with 250 nits brightness and a decent battery life. Now it's actually hard to get a gaming laptop in this budget, but if you're looking for an affordable gaming laptop, then the MSI GF63 Thin 11SC1477IN is the best choice. It is the best affordable gaming laptop, but if you can spend more, go for more higher end options. Under 55,000, the top choices are Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3, Asus VivoBook 15 and Asus TUF Gaming F15. The Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 because it comes with an Intel Core i5 12450H processor, a 15.6-inch display, 16GB RAM and a 512GB SSD and military grade durability, making it a solid pick for programmers. For heavy softwares, the Asus VivoBook 15 has features of Intel Core i5 12500H processor, a 15.6-inch display, 60Hz refresh rate, 16GB RAM and a 512GB SSD and an extra 180-degree hinge. For gaming, the Asus TUF Gaming F15. It has an Intel Core i5 11400H 11th generation processor, a 4GB NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2050 graphics card, a 512GB SSD and a 144Hz refresh rate, making it the best gaming laptop under 55,000 rupees. Under 65,000, the best laptops in this range are Lenovo Yoga Slim 6, Intel Evo and HP Pavilion 15 and Acer Aspire 7. The Lenovo Yoga Slim 6 is the top pick with an Intel Core i5 1240p processor, a 14-inch display, ultra lightweight laptop of 16GB RAM which is expandable and a metal finishing which suits for coders. For heavy softwares, the HP Pavilion 15 is the best because of AMD Ryzen 77730U processor, a 16GB RAM and a 512GB SSD and a 15.6-inch display with a 60Hz refresh rate. It provides the best performance for you. For gaming purposes, the fight is between Acer Aspire 7 and the Asus TUF Gaming F15. The Acer Aspire 7 is the winner. Having an Intel Core i5 12450H processor, 4GB NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 graphics card which is top notch, 512GB expandable SSD and a 144Hz refresh rate. It is heavy and more powerful. That's why it is a gaming laptop. Under 75,000, the top picks are the Asus ZenBook 14X OLED and the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5 and HP Victus 15. More the budget, more the features you get. The laptops feature an Intel Core i5 12500H processor, 14-inch 2.8K OLED display, 550 nits brightness, a 16GB RAM and a 512GB SSD, fingerprint sensor and a 180-degree hinge, making them a good choice for developers. The best option is Asus VivoBook 15, which leads with an Intel Core i7 12650 processor, 15.6-inch 60Hz display, 16 GB RAM and a 512 GB expandable storage and a 180-degree hinge. Heavy users won't face a problem. The best gaming laptop in this range is HP Victus 15, having an AMD Ryzen 55600H processor, a 4GB NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 graphics card, 144Hz refresh rate, a 16 GB RAM and a 512 GB SSD, making it an ideal choice for high-performance gaming. Under 85,000. At this point, programming laptops can also handle heavy softwares as they share similar features. At this price point, you can consider laptops for both the users. The super laptop is Asus ZenBook 14X OLED, which already provides a powerful CPU, high-resolution OLED display, a lightweight design, and a long battery life. Suggestion: instead of spending more, consider upgrading RAM or storage if needed. Gaming choices in this budget are the Asus TUF 15 and Acer Nitro 5 Gaming. The Acer Nitro 5 Gaming is the best, featuring 13th generation Intel Core i5, a 13420H processor, 16 GB NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 graphics card, 512 GB SSD, and a 16 GB RAM with a 15.7-inch display having an expandable storage. If budget is not the constraint, then definitely go for a MacBook that you can afford. Apple MacBooks are best especially for programming. They are highly optimized, have an excellent battery life with great performance, and have a durability of at least 5 to 6 years. These are the best picks for you under every budget range. Investing on a laptop is the best thing to do. It can directly affect your productivity and efficiency, so it can make or break all your work. Also, let me know in the comments which one is your choice. And if this video felt useful for you, share it with your other friends who are searching for a laptop to buy. See you next time.